I'm Cara, and I love to camp. Before I had my procedure done, I wore contacts for about 30 years. Without glasses or contacts, I was legally blind in my right eye. We camp a lot, and when we would go camping, I would struggle with getting up in the morning and not being able to see. On hikes, getting grit or dirt in my eyes and having them scratch and losing a contact. On the day of my procedure, the staff was very welcoming. They alleviated any anxiety that I had. I felt like Dr. Barrett was as excited about my correction as I was. And that really meant a lot to me. I said, I'm super excited about this. And he looked at me and he just said, I'm super excited too. And I just knew that it was going to be a good experience for me. I think it took about 10 minutes for the surgery. It was very quick. It was completely painless. There was no discomfort at all. The surgery that I had was refractive lens exchange, and now since I've had the surgery, I get up in the morning and I can see perfectly the minute I look out the window. I really can see as good as I could see when I was a young adult.